Toppers are not the people who never fail. They are the people who never quit. A very happy morning, everyone. My name is Garangna Parihar and I'm the participant of English speaking and personality grooming training at IICS. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak on How to Wow series. Today, I'm going to crack the mystery behind something each and every student wants to know: how to get the first rank in exams. It may sound tough, but it's not about being a natural genius or studying 24/7. It's actually the result of hard and smart work, consistency, and the winning mindset. So let's begin. Step 1: set a clear goal. If you're unsure of what you're doing, then you can't reach the top. So take a piece of paper and write your goal on it. For example, I want to achieve the highest marks in my class. Then stick it on a wall or a notebook or even the mirror to remind yourself daily. Step 2: make a smart study plan. Don't just study randomly, instead, divide your topics wisely. Give more time to the tough topics, but don't ignore the easy ones. You can use the 80 by 20 rule, in which you focus 80% on the important topics and 20% on the rest. And remember, a timetable is not your foundation, it's your secret weapon. Step 3: don't just study passively, study actively. For example, reading the textbook again and again won't help. Instead, use wise techniques to study, like the Feynman's technique, in which you explain the topic to someone else when you're studying. Or you can use notes, flashcards, flowcharts, and diagrams to study. The advantages of these study methods is that it not only helps you memorize, but it also helps you to understand the concepts. Step 3: practice, practice, and practice. Do you know the difference between a normal student and a topper? It's not their IQ, it's their practice. Solve sample questions, past year papers, MCQs, and write answers in the exam format. Practice as much as you can because practice gives confidence, and confidence is the key. Step 5: solve your doubts as soon as possible because a small confusion today can lead to a big mistake in the exam hall. Never be too shy to ask questions. Step 6: take care of your health. Toppers don't skip meals or pull all nighters because they know the importance of a good health. So, take a good night's sleep, eat healthy meals, and most importantly, take regular breaks because a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. Step 7: believe in yourself. This is the secret ingredient to success. If you believe you can do it, you're already halfway there. And never give up. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. A student who truly believes in themselves and never gives up is unstoppable. And last but not least, don't compare, compete. Compete with your past self. Don't compare yourself with your friend, your cousin, or the last year topper because it's your journey. It's always you versus you. Don't compare your first day with someone's 100th day. So, friends, let me wrap up with my favorite quote: study hard in silence and let your success make the noise. So, friends, get up, organize your day, and start studying and chase that first rank like a true champion because the topper of tomorrow is the one who prepares today. Thank you so much for your valuable time.